Hey guys, it's Caribbean Sea Buccaneer. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be doing an unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox this Nintendo Switch 2. I went to get it this morning. I'm waiting in line. So let's get started. Okay, so got the Joy-Cons here. The console. Also got the download code for Mario. Instructions. The HDMI cord. The straps for the Joy-Con. I believe the adapter. The charging cable. The grip. And the dock. Okay guys, I'm gonna charge this thing up. And I'm gonna give you guys an update in the morning. Good night. Morning guys, so I just woke up a little while ago, and last night I charged my Nintendo Switch and I already set it up. It's all set. And I got the Mario Kart game finished downloading. Yesterday when I got there to get it, I asked them how do I get in. They told me that there was a line at the checkout area, and the security guard there gave me my purchase ticket for the Nintendo Switch. They gave me two options: the console itself or the bundle, and I picked the bundle. Thanks for watching. Like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn the notifications on. Follow me on Instagram at Caribbean Sea Buccaneer. Follow me on Facebook at Caribbean Sea Buccaneer. Peace.